To be in my Skoda. Oopsie, she's gone. This is the world's most luxurious car. This is the Rolls-Royce Ghost. Wow, the car is shining bright like a star. It is. I have to put my sunglasses on. Now, speaking of luxury, is there anything more luxurious than a Rolls-Royce? You know, look at the car, majestic, powerful, comfortable. It's like driving a very luxurious yacht on the road. It's the private jet status. It's the ultimate luxury, the best of the best. Some of you may not know that the Ghost, as we know it today, is named in honor of the Ghost silver that was first made in 1906. Did you guys know that? Well, you do now. Let's have a look at this absolutely gigantic, luxurious limousine. Speaking of gigantic, look how long the Ghost is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is 5.5 meters long. Tell me this is not a car you want to be just driven around, enjoying life, sipping on your champagne or cappuccino at the back. Well, it definitely is what I want. Now, let's have a quick look at the front. Some things have changed. As we know, the grille got a little bigger, yes. The laser headlights can illuminate up to 600 meters ahead of a car. And up here, we've got LED lights hiding that illuminate this amazing metal grille. Look how huge the grille is. For those thinking you can just come and steal the spirit of ecstasy and put it on your Skoda, I'm gonna give you the nasty, sad truth. It's impossible. Come and have a look. See? She's right here, guarding her Rolls-Royce badge. But what happens if I try to take her? It's like, hey, come with me, I want you to be in my Skoda. Oopsie, she's gone. She's like, no, I belong to this Ghost. I'm not going on the top of some Skoda. So yeah, sorry guys, can't steal the spirit of ecstasy. We've got 21-inch wheels, but you can get 19-inch, but they just don't look right. They look way too small for a car this size. And what I love about Rolls-Royce in general is that the Rolls-Royce right here always stays centered. You never see it upside down or on the side or just all over the place. No, it always stays centered. And I do think a lot of luxury cars should be considering doing the same. It looks perfect. But that's what Rolls-Royce is. Rolls-Royce is perfection. It's a status, it's a statement as well. Look at the paint. Now that the sun is shining so nice, you can see all the glitter and the car just looks classy. It looks amazing. It's time for us to check out the back. Let's go. All right, here we are at the back. You can see the long, sleek, very classy, but also kind of plain back. We've got the chrome surrounded taillights, very classy, your exhaust. But besides that, it's just nice and clean. The Rolls-Royce badge is over here. Let's open up the boot. You can do that with your key. Ta-da! Yes, large, wide, and long. That's a perfect description of what's happening here. We've got 507-liter capacity. Can you believe that even sitting in here feels luxurious and comfortable? Can you just drive me in the back, please? Please? I feel posh. I feel fancy right now. Okay, that's enough about the back. 507, as I told you, press a button, it will close. The rear camera over here. Now, let's go to the fun part. Let's see the interior. Come on, guys, because that's gonna be a lot of things to show you. Oh, guys, I can't tell you how comfortable these seats are. You have to try it yourself. They are heated and ventilated. You have so many different massage features, and you just can sit at the back, sipping on your champagne, enjoying your back massage. And you know, with some cars, when you turn the massage feature on, after the massage session, it turns off automatically. But not with Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce wants you to relax and to loosen up. So the massage feature won't turn off until you do it yourself. Now, I'm just so posh and lazy to open and close my door. Right, I just pull my handle and the door opens. Of course, your car has to be started. And then I'm too lazy to close the door. Here, effortless door button will close your door. Isn't that just amazing? Isn't that the ultimate luxury? Now, I've got a big screen in front of me where I can operate the navigation and media and climate and everything I want. So does my other half right next to me. But I'm lazy to go me. What do? Well, I just press a button over here and this pops open and you can operate everything with your little knob over here. Isn't that just super cool? This car is just amazing. That's all I can say. It's a dream to sit at the back and enjoy these beautiful red seats with black leather details, Rolls-Royce logo on top with perfection stitching. Let me just say something. This armrest right here is full of surprises. So if we open this one, what do we get? Can you guys tell? Do you know what's inside? I bet you can't see it now. Well, you can get a little storage space here if you want, but if you don't, you get your crystal Rolls-Royce bottle with a little Rolls-Royce on top. I'm so scared to break this, so I'm like, look in, let's put it back, okay? You can put a water or whiskey or whatever you want right here. And of course, it comes with 2 Rolls-Royce glasses with a Rolls-Royce on the bottom. I wonder if water tastes better when you drink it out of the Rolls-Royce cup. Let me know. For the Rolls-Royce owners, let me know if it does, okay? Now that was one surprise. Who can tell me what's in here? Again, we have a button. Let's open. Ta-da! Nothing. I'm joking. Here comes your champagne glass holder, and this is your champagne fridge. So if you sit at the back and you want to enjoy some cool, nice, bubbly drink, it will be right here. And yes, we do have this beautiful Rolls-Royce bottle at the back as well. And these safety champagne holders, as you can see, of course, they are Rolls-Royce. Would it even be a Rolls-Royce if it didn't have star lights? I know, right? So of course we've got star lights. You can operate them from here and up here, and then you can operate the lights from this console up here. With the press of a button, you are able to put your blinds up here. This one would be manual, and at the back it will come up automatically. We've got a little hook over here. We've got really nice metal vents over here. And if you want to control your cooling and heating seats or control the temperature, you can do it manually from here as well. One of the very cool Rolls-Royce things is hiding right here. It's on both sides at the back. Let's just press a button. And here comes your fancy schmancy Rolls-Royce umbrella. Pew! Right, let's see the soft closing doors. Pew! And let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, have you seen the key? It's matching the interior, see? It's the red leather that we see all over the interior. Now we have multifunctional heated steering wheel. As you can see, there's very small amount of tech on it. It looks very classy. Now, when it comes to driver's screen, I love how half-half it is. Do you know what I mean by half-half? It's half classy and real and half digital. So it keeps that very old school Rolls-Royce look, and I love that. Here we have our vent again, your lights control start and stop button, manual parking. Here is the infotainment screen. There are 2 ways to operate this screen. First, with your fingers, so it's a touch screen, or then you can use this beautiful spirit of ecstasy right here knob to operate and control your screen. Now, response is perfect. The screen looks amazing. It's one sleek screen, so it's really, really classy, just as we're used to with Rolls-Royces. You have the clock over here. Everything that looks metal is metal. That's what I love about this car, but not the stalks. We already talked about the stalks. I can't even tell you how that bothers me, but it's me, you know. What can I say? Of course, your air control over here, so everything, air conditioning is here, heated and cooling seats. We have massage features at the front as well, so your driver as well can just get a massage while he's driving you around. 2 cup holders, and we can close them so they're not visible. Operate your windows over here, media, menu, map, navigation, everything over here. Parking, lane assistance, everything is here. Then we open this. There's a lot of storage and couple charging ports over here, guys. Nothing too big, but then you do get your side pockets, and we also have a glove box. Now everything here is just perfection. I keep saying perfection because that's what this car is. It's just nice, fine Rolls-Royce leather, two-tone red and grayish interior all over. You won't find one bad thing in here, and I just love closing this. We're surrounded by 18 speakers around here. Outside the front, you can also control the star lights here. Should we hop in and take the Ghost for a spin? Let's go. Now our favorite thing, what is under the hood? Very powerful engine, that's what's under the hood. We've got 6.75 liter engine, twin turbo V12, producing 571 horsepower. 571 for a car this long and this heavy, with 850 Newton meters of torque. Of course, it's a 4-wheel drive that goes from 0 to 100 and guess how much? 4.6 seconds. So this is not your everyday boring car. No, it's a luxury limousine that can really go flying through the highway. Now let's reverse. Those wondering, we've got 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's just breathtaking. If you've driven a Rolls-Royce, you know exactly how I feel right now. And for those who didn't, it's time to do it, and it's time to start. Now, what do you think about this amazing Rolls-Royce Ghost? Let me know in comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye.